Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a PR package from Fansells to share with everyone. Now I have already opened it, but I have not gone through anything, have not looked at anything. I just opened it because I also am expecting a Temu order. So again, this does come to me from Fansells as a PR package. I will leave the link to everything that I show you in the description box, along with the discount code that they've given me to give to all of y'all. But right now on the website of Fansells, they are doing a site-wide sale. And you can also put in the code MOM, M-O-M, and it will give you so much off on your total purchase. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to pull everything out, and then we're going to go through everything, okay? There's only a couple items in here. And we'll start with this because it is a canvas. Throw that away. So I hope everyone's doing well today. It is getting ready to start storming. So it is very cloudy. I'm doing this video at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And you would think that it was like, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, so this is a partial. Now, y'all might hear the boys in the background. They just got done eating, and so they are playing. Alright, so this is a partial of a Boston Terrier, because y'all know I love my Bostons. What I have is two Boston Terrier boys, and they are spoiled. They do not know that they are DOGs. They think they're babies. Alright, so I hope y'all can see this. I'm not sure if you can or not. Yeah, you can. Alright, so this is just a 30 by 30. This is a special shaped partial. And you can see it says, "Have a nice day." But I thought this was really cute, colorful, springy. And of course, you know, it has the Boston. So it has, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors, crystals, special shapes. Now on the website, this is called Cute Dog, and it was $4.03. And right there is the item number, SKU, whatever y'all want to call it. Canvas number, whatever. Anyway, if you go on Fansells, you want this particular thing, all you got to do is go up in their little search bar where the magnifying glass looking thing is, type in AT540, and this should pop up. But you don't got to do all that, because I'm going to put the link in my description box. So this does come with your typical toolkit, which is the green boat, the pink single placer, and then a little square of wax. Alright, so here are the special shapes and the crystals. So, lots of very pretty colors. I hope y'all can see this. Let me just bring y'all down a little more. Alright, so we've got clear or white, whatever y'all want to call that. We've got like a champagne, a green, pink, a like an aqua. We've got a purple. This I think is supposed to be sort of brown. Then we've got black, more yellow, and then we go into the special shapes, which this is the funnest part of the whole thing. Look at those hearts. I didn't even realize there was hearts. Yeah. So there's some hearts. They're just kind of scattered. Well, that's cute. That's a nice little touch. So yeah, very cute. And if you are like me and you stick these in your portfolio so that helps them get flat while you're not working on them, and you stick the drills in a tote or something, this has got the canvas number on the drills so that you know that these drills go with that canvas. That's what I do. I put my canvases in portfolios. I have portfolios of the ones I've completed and kept, and then I have portfolios of the different size kits, canvases. I've got a portfolio for just specials, one for special shaped 30 by 30s, and then I have a portfolio for special shaped 30 by 40s, and then I have portfolios for all my full drills. So when I get done with this video, I will flatten this out just a little bit more, get the wrinkles out, and then I will go put this in my portfolio and stick it in the cabinet so that it can be flattening before I do it. And I give it about, I don't know, maybe a month. Not even that long, but knowing me, about a month. And I can go back, grab this out of my portfolio, and it will be straight as a board. These creases will be gone. Alright, so there's that one. And again, that was $4.03. Alright, so this, oh, I don't even need my cutter thing. Alright, so I like these. I've got a couple from different companies, but I do like them. So this is like a 3D printed, they just call it a grid, but it holds 20 bags of your drills. This does come in the purple that you see here. Then they have a rose red, a blue, and a green. So this is pretty tall and pretty deep. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just got a little bit of the strings of the stuff that they use to make this. But they're pretty deep, pretty wide. So let me see. Do I have... Yeah. Okay. So I've got some drills. You just stick them in there, because if you like working out of baggies, you just stick these in there and they will hold your baggies in place. Or you can even cut these, drop these down in there, and then, you know, you can just pluck one out, work that color, and then go to the next. But I tend to, if my kit comes already bagged up in baggies, I just leave them. And I've got storage, but it's just a lot easier and the cleanup's easier. So, yeah. So this, like I said, is a 20 grid, 20 slots. There's 10 on each side. This was $12.12. So that's not bad at all, because them are a little pricey in other places. Alright, so this last item, and again, y'all go check Fansells out. They've got a lot of neat products. You know, they've got cross stitch, they've got diamond painting, they've got, you know, the tools that you need, you know, everything. Look, see, these are already bagged up. So if I wanted to, I could just take these out of this and just drop them down in here, and I've got everything I need to do this project. So here is just your typical toolkit, same as the other one, green boat, pink wax, pink single placer pen. But y'all, these are so cute. But they are refrigerator magnets. So they do come with these peel and stick magnets that once you get done, you'll just peel this white part off, stick it on there, and it is considered a refrigerator magnet. So you've got those. So let's flip these over. I'll move those out of the way. Alright, so these are 15-piece dog refrigerator magnets. And as you can see, they are adorable. Now these were $10.78. They are acrylic. They are only one-sided. But they are absolutely adorable. They are like a pastel. So once you put your crystals on here, the colors are going to be a lot brighter. And then on the back, there is a film on the back that you're going to peel off once you're done. But they put it on there to keep it from, you know, getting scuffed up or anything. These are just absolutely cute. And again, y'all go check out Fansells. But they're just little dogs in teacups. Absolutely adorable. And again, I will leave the links to all three of these products in my description box. So let's check these out. So you've got pearls. Very cute. And looky here. We're just going to put them right in there. They have the, like, if you see right there, there's an S. So you're going to go through and you're going to look and find all the S's. And that's where these go. But those are little gold stars. Oh my goodness. These are little blue hearts. Oh my. Those are so cute. So yeah. Very, very cute. See, this one, you'd look for the arrow up. Very pretty colors. You know, like I said, once you get all of these on these, it's going to brighten it up just a little bit. Them are almost clear, but they're like a smoky color. Lavender. Very cute. So, what do y'all think? Leave me a comment in, well, down there in the comment section. Look, that was perfect. There's 20 bags. Look at that. So now I can just start working these. I'm already kitted up. Ain't that cool? Alright, so again, these were 15-piece dog refrigerator magnets. They were $10.78. The purple grid has a slot for 20 bags. And this was $12.12. And you know what? Even if you don't want to use this for bags, you could put your putty in here. I mean, that I've got one that I use that for, with all my putty and waxes, or my you know, all the different things. All right. And then here's the magnets that goes to that. And then for my cute dog 30 by 30 special, this was $4.03. Absolutely adorable, affordable, and cuteness overload. So y'all go check out Fansells. I will leave links to these in my description box along with my code that will get you a percentage off if you use it in checkout. So thank you to Fansells for allowing me to do a review on some of their products. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all for watching, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.